Welcome to Akses RCBD, India's #1 RCC building design software. In this video, we are going to learn how to design shear walls for static and seismic loads. Click on Login. Click on Open Project button. Select project name. Click Open to continue. Note that we have already designed beams resting on this shear wall and the upper level shear wall, which is required in order to validate the clauses of IS 18930. Let us design shear walls. Click on Shear Wall Design button. Select shear wall. Click OK to continue. Shear wall design panel is visible. Click Yes to use the value of width which was used in the model. Click Yes again to use the value of depth which was used in the model. Member number and shear wall label are shown here. And here we have shear wall level. This is our shear wall section. MP diagram about Y and Z axis. And force and moments at origin and terminal ends. Load combination is shown here. Here we can select width of shear wall, depth of shear wall, effective lengths LZ and LY, and concrete grade. We also have axial load P in the column, shear force VZ at the origin, shear force VY at the origin, bending moment MZ at the origin, bending moment MY at the origin, HW, shear force VZ at the terminal, shear force VY at the terminal, bending moment MZ at the terminal, bending moment MY at the terminal, main reinforcement grade, cover to the reinforcement, bar diameter of boundary elements, number of bars and boundary elements, bar diameter of shear wall, number of bars in shear wall, grade of transverse steel, diameter of transverse steel, spacing of transverse steel, eccentricities due to design moments, minimum eccentricities as per IS 456 code, moments due to eccentricities, PUBZ and KZ, additional moments due to length effect, total moment capacities required, moment capacities of the shear wall, PUZ and alpha N, safety result, shear stress and shear, and strong column weak beam check. Click Analysis. Let us leave shear wall size, concrete grade, and reinforcement details and grade as it is. Click on Analysis. Boundary element reinforcement is less than 0.8%. Let us increase number of bars and boundary elements. Click Analysis. Spacing of transverse reinforcement is more than allowed. Let us reduce spacing of transverse reinforcement. Click Analysis. Boundary element reinforcement is still less than 0.8%. Let us increase bar diameter of boundary elements. Click Analysis. Click EQ Analysis. The minimum dimension of shear wall should not be less than 20 times diameter of the beam reinforcement. Click No to continue. Click No to continue. Let us increase width of shear wall. Click Analysis. Depth of shear wall should be more than 4 times its width. Let us increase depth of shear wall. Click Analysis. Boundary element reinforcement is again less than 0.8%. Let us increase bar diameter of boundary elements. Click Analysis. Rho H is less than 0.0025. Let us increase bar diameter of transverse reinforcement. Click Analysis. Rho V web is less than 0.0025. Let us increase bar diameter of web reinforcement. Click Analysis. Row V web is still less than 0.0025. Let us increase number of bars of web reinforcement. Click Analysis. Click EQ Analysis. Shear wall section is safe and as per IS code recommendation. Click Save. Click Report. Detailed design calculation report with clauses of IS 456 and IS 13920 is visible. Let us close this report. Click Exit to continue. Repeat this procedure for other identical shear walls. Akses RCBD. Download a free demo at www.akses.in. Thanks for watching this video. Please call 9049004901 if you need any assistance.